All right, so if you guys don't know what these are, I'm going to show you. I'm going to demo you guys. These are actually attachments for your helmet, all right? And a lot of times we don't have space in our rest of the gear that we're using, and that's why these helmets have these areas here. They're attachment, they're accessories that you could set up onto. Don't be greedy. You can share these with amongst your friends, and they're gonna say, "Where'd you guys get these from?" Because I'm gonna show you there's different attachments. So these have for two different pans and papers, and this one to actually hold on things. So the way it works on the helmet, if you guys see, I worked in the construction field for 20 years, and pretty much this was not around. I didn't even know what this was for. I thought it was for just a regular strap that went around you, and it is for that too. Also for attachment for goggles and other things, but they never told me that it was made also for this part right here. This actually goes in here. I didn't know that they have these available during the time, because look at this. I'm always carrying extra tools, attachments there, pens, attachments there. So you had accessories that you could add on. Look at this. Easy to add on. And it goes on both ways. You could set up the other side too. I forgot to mention you have another side too. And then if you want, you have something very important, maybe an ID or something you want to make sure somebody sees, you can actually set this up in here. Just to demo you, this attachment here, say you have some safety checklist that you have, you can set it up on your helmet this way. I'm just demoing it right now, but you can put a piece of paper, attachment, plastics, pretty much anything. Pens, you can add extra accessories, pens. So you can accessorize your helmet, not just a basic helmet that you have. You want to make sure you carry extra pens or maybe tools, like I said. You can have that with your helmet. Very simple to attach. There's two different versions of it, like I said, but these are perfect, easy accessory to add to your helmet, your safety helmet. So hope you guys enjoyed the video.